Little known health tips about preparing and cooking seafood.
Stop scrubbing our shells! It's tiring, takes forever, and doesn't really help.
Just soak us in rice wash water for 1 hour.
We'll spit out all the sand, and our shells will be sparkling clean.
Oh no, don't let color fool you. When buying seafood, smell it before you judge the color. Spoilage bacteria produce volatile amines. That's why a fishy, rotten smell appears before we even change color.
Oh my gosh! Why are you so clueless, Auntie? If you boil crabs without covering the pot to trap the heat and steam, how are we supposed to cook evenly? Some parts will be raw, some overcooked, and trust me, it'll taste fishy and not good at all.
Don't be silly and add lemon to seafood before or during boiling. The acid makes proteins contract too quickly, which turns seafood tough and dry. Let me get a little massage after cooking. I promise your seafood will be more tender and flavorful.
Soaking us in plain water won't do much. Add just a little cooking oil, and we'll quickly release all the sand ourselves. It's the fastest trick, and not everyone knows it.
Yes! Why would they need scissors?
They're cutting us!
Wait, can you smell that?
Uh-oh, here it comes.
Spicy metal.
Oh no, this is literally hell on earth. I'm terrified.
Don't cut and marinate squid for too long. That's how you ruin me. Salt pulls water out fast, proteins tighten, and I turn rubbery. And once you cut me, enzymes and bacteria speed up, so I lose freshness even faster. Just lightly score my surface like this.
Slowly thawing me in the fridge is the right way. My meat will taste so much better. Using hot water breaks down my muscle structure, making me watery, mushy, and full of flavor loss.
Ginger and green onions help remove odors so we always smell fresh because they neutralize the odor, causing amines.
But please don't overload us with heavy seasonings that will completely mask our natural flavor.
Yeah!
Thank you for watching till the end. Follow my channel for more helpful health tips and insights.